In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color theme on Google Chrome browser. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully open and that you're on a normal Chrome window so you can access all of the settings easily. This process is quick and it's a nice way to personalize your browser so it looks the way you want while you're using it every day. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can find a variety of options for controlling your browser settings and preferences. If you've never used this menu before, don't worry, it's the standard place for making changes in Chrome. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your browser. The settings area is where Chrome lets you adjust things like appearance, privacy, startup behavior, and profile customization. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the part that lets you change the visual style of your Chrome profile. On the settings page, click You and Google, or the profile-related section if your version of Chrome shows it a little differently. This area contains options connected to your Chrome identity and personalization. Depending on your version of the browser, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for the section that includes your profile settings. Next, click Customize Profile. This is where you can change the look and feel of your Chrome profile, including the color theme. When you open this section, you'll see several color options displayed for you to choose from. These colors affect the appearance of parts of the Chrome window, such as the top bar and overall accent color, helping you give the browser a more personal style. Now, simply select the color theme you prefer. As you click through the options, Chrome may preview the changes right away so you can see what each theme looks like before deciding. Take a moment to choose the one that feels best for you, whether you want something bright and colorful or a more simple and clean look. After selecting your preferred color, the change should apply automatically. That means you don't usually need to save anything manually. If you ever want to switch it again later, just return to the same profile customization section and choose a different theme. And that's how to change the color theme on Google Chrome browser.